LG washer performing at its best by cleaning the ezDispense drawer. Before you begin cleaning the ezDispense drawer, make sure the unit is turned off. Pull open the drawer until you see the orange tab. Push the orange tab downward to release the drawer. Slide the drawer all the way out and place it on a flat, protected surface. Remove the ezDispense tanks and liquid bleach insert from the drawer. Rinse the drawer in warm water to dissolve the detergent or softener scale and use a soft cloth or brush to remove any residue. Wipe dry using a towel after cleaning. Before cleaning the tanks, unscrew the lids. Open the sensor covers. On the back of the detergent and softener tanks are dispenser spring locking pins. Remove these over the sink by unscrewing them counterclockwise and pulling them out. Rinse the tanks in warm water to dissolve the detergent or softener scale and use a soft cloth or brush to remove any residue. Do the same for the tank's components. Rinse the liquid bleach insert with warm water and use a soft cloth or brush to remove any residue or buildup. Wipe all components and tanks dry using a towel after cleaning. Reassemble the drawer. Note: make sure to properly reassemble the lid. An improper seal may cause leakage. Fill the reservoir tanks with the new liquid detergent and fabric softener. Do not fill above the max line. Put the caps back on and turn them clockwise to close them. Clean any spilled detergent or softener off the outside of the tanks and drawer with a damp cloth. Reinsert the ezDispense drawer. Press down on the orange tab and slowly slide the drawer closed to avoid leaks or residue around the front caps. For convenience and ease, you can also refill the ezDispense without removing the drawer. Simply slide the drawer out far enough to remove the detergent or softener cap. Align the detergent or softener bottle's nozzle with the opening in the reservoir and press the nozzle release until the reservoir is filled. Do not fill the reservoir over the max fill line. Here are some things to remember when cleaning the ezDispense drawer and its components. It is recommended to clean the ezDispense drawer 1 to 2 times a month. Every time you switch to a new detergent or softener. Every time you need to refill the detergent or softener. If you notice any buildup or residue. Depending on use, you may need to clean more or less frequently. Do not use soap when cleaning the drawer, tanks, and insert. Do not use powdered detergent. Refill with liquid detergent and liquid fabric softener only.